What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's Flyer Kicks back again with another unboxing. Got some heat for y'all as always, man. I never disappoint. At least I don't think I do. See the black box. See the Air Force One on the front. Some of y'all might know. Some of y'all think y'all know, but y'all don't really know. Before we get into the shoot real quick, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, notification bell, hit that subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date with me and be the first to watch this heat that I'm about to unbox. The box tag says Air Force One 07 LV8, white, black, and hyper jade. Air Force One paper with the stars on it. Here we have, what y'all think these is? What y'all think these is? Here we have the Air Force One, what the LAs, man. Now everybody loves a good what the shoe, and I feel like Nike and Jordan Brand have been like running it up on the what this, and it hasn't been real quality, or just haven't been that good of a look. They did it with these, man. These are better than the what the New York to me. Passed on those, man. I had the opportunity to grab these from one of the homies. He didn't really want them. Gave them to me for a stupid low price. So I had to grab these, man. This is actually like a collaboration shoe. Well, not a collaboration shoe, but the colorway comes from like each sports team in LA. Just a different colors. You got the purple and gold from the Lakers and the Sparks. You got the red from the Angels. You got the blue from the Dodgers. You got like a swoosh here from like made out of a basketball. Just just everybody has their own little touch of swagger they added to this LA shoe, man. You got the black midsole, white midsole. Everything is flip-flop, man. These are just too crazy. I just couldn't even pass these up, man. And I don't wear a lot of Air Force Ones like I used to, but these are heat, bro. Like, these are the ones. I had to grab these. These definitely going in the rotation heavy. I'm gonna wear these over the holidays, get some traveling in these, man. Air Force Ones are super comfortable to me. Had to grab them, bro. Had to grab them. Way better than the New York pair, man. Let me know how y'all feel about them. Or is it too much going for you? Too loud? Let me know, man. Yes, man, without further ado, man, let's get into the up close and personal with these. With the translucent bottoms, man. Even the purple see-through bottom. That's just crazy, man. Let's get up close and personal with these. You guys can see these details, how I'm seeing them. See how these colors popping. See the difference in these materials, the suedes, oh man, I don't even know what kind of material this is, man. It's like a nylon material, maybe. Let's get up close and personal. Let's see these. Let's get to it, man. What the LA Forces. Now, as you can see, we got the black box, Nike Air on the top with Air Force One. Regular black Air Force One box. The tag reads Air Force One 07 LV8, white, black, hyper jade, 11.5, man, personal pair. These are going to get worn. Got the what the LA Forces, man. This is the pair with the black midsole, the purple translucent outsole, the red on the front, the small gold check. The middle tan part is like suede, has the LA written out in the script. White toe box, white laces, white tongue, purple on the side, has that shiny check on the inside, has like the holographic check on the outside. The translucent bottom I was talking about with the splatter on the sole. The details on these are just crazy, man. And this one has the blue front for the Dodgers, has the splatter on their outsole as well, on the midsole, the LA and script. Orange Nike Air on the back with the different color holographic tongue on this side. And you see it has like the basketball leather check on the inside as well, with that turquoise suede. Everything, all the materials are just crazy on these. The colors pop. The laces are crazy, man. You see the mismatched tongues, one white tongue, one black tongue, one Nike Air in gold, one in like a turquoise green color, man. Just an overall crazy shoe, man. Crazy shoe. This definitely gonna get put together with something nice, man. Let me know how y'all feeling. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the what the LA Air Force Ones. crazy colors, crazy combinations, man. All kind of details on here. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Let me know if this is too much for you guys. Let me know if you would have left these sitting or if you would have grabbed them, or just let me know how y'all feeling, man. I feel like I'm gonna get some good wears out of these, man. Make a few statements in some places, man. Let me know how y'all feeling. That's about it, man. Till next time on the next video. What the LAs. Peace.